They have these cute little gift bags. This one's got like a little grill. They have these nice little tabletop plaques are for your desk, Forever My Hero. This one is a bottle opener, so that's really cute. They have this nice picture frame. You can put you and your dad's picture in there. They have this picture frame as well. Some of these cups and mugs. They have the knockoff AirPods. This little lantern fan is pretty cool, and it's a light. It's like $5. This one's a portable neck fan and solar outdoor lamp. Then we have this little hammer tool set for $5. They have tape measures, scraper with a blade. It comes extra blades in there. There's a couple. It's only $1.25. Another one. This cute little mini level and two little, I can't even think, screwdrivers. We got this set for $5. We got the pliers, and this one is a 4-volt rechargeable cordless screwdriver. So that's pretty cool for only $5. I've never seen this section before, but everything is $5 and under for that. Here they have some beer steins and little whiskey glasses. They have these different sodas: orange cream, fire, brewed, crafted, grape, ginger ale. Then they have some nuts, some pickles, and beef jerky, which what dad doesn't like beef jerky. Car stuff, multi-purpose cleaner, oil, they need oil change or STP gas treatment. Got some interior wipes. Look at this vacuum for $5. Multi-purpose cleaner and tire cleaner, and this little toolbox for $125. So you can make like a little gift set for your dad and put everything in there to surprise him when he opens it. So that's really cute. This is a great deal for $5. And then over here they have these cute cards. Like, look at these. These are like pop-up ones. So adorable. So they have really cute cards, and those are $1.25. Stepping over here because I see some summer stuff. They put out more of these. So they have the strawberry canister, the watermelon, and the pineapple for $5. And then the serving trays, and then they have the fun lights to match, and the neon ones. So they have ice cream cone, flamingo, and a palm tree. But those are really cute for this little drink pitchers. They have these little cups to go with it, and the bigger ones, like, look how cool they are. You could put like a little gift in there for a teacher or end of summer gift or your kids graduation. Really cute. And for summer parties, again, they have the decor, little umbrellas for the drinks, these fun straws, the decor to hang up. They have these little lanterns, and these are fun too, these little cups. Look at these napkins. They're adorable. These plates are fun, and like little ice cream or treat dishes. And then tiki cups. The water toys, they have these cute little goggles. They have flamingos on them. They have these ones that cover your nose, beach balls. They have even the snorkel kits here. They have a bug catching kit. These are little dive toys. They have floaties and the small little swim ring and beach balls. They have these big shovels, these little water shooters. These water balls are fun to play with too. They have buckets for sandcastles, jump rope. Looks like a bubble toy over there. And footballs. So I'm going down the aisle. It's five and under. These big planters are only $5. Those are super nice. We have this bug zapper, which is great for your hose. The extension, pruning clippers. They have these big containers for 10. Cute little stools for $5. These lanterns are for $5 as well. So for your garden for $5. These lanterns are $3. Oh no, $5, sorry. This one's pretty. You can put a candle in it. This solar pathway light's really pretty for $5. Then I have beach hats, beach towels for $5, and then cushions for your patio. Some kids' toys. My son has one of these. They're really fun. Learning games for kids. Race car, Garfield toys, piggy toys. Then they have the lawnmower. This glitter aqua wand. This looks like a toss game for the pool. Little car, this floaty. Those are all $3 and $5. Big water gun. This bubble kit, spill resistant, which is great. You don't want your kids to knock over and spill all the bubbles. $5. This little water toss game. This little kiddie pool is only $3. Then you have the basketball hoop. There's some pickleball and racket sets. This is a cool little toy. And they have these balls. They're hard bouncy ones, and more of the water guns. There's this little baseball set for $5. Little guns for shooting, little balls out. Those are $3. This water gun set is $5. This big one's $5 too. So a lot of cute items for summer play. All your kids that love little squishies, look at these cute little plushies for $5. I love this little milkshake one and the pizza. They're so soft. Little hamburger. So those are only $5. Those are great for your kids. Again, we have some water balloons, a bunch of water balloons, which are really great for $3. A little dive light up wands. This is a bubble blaster for $5. And then you get a water gun for this and that water balloon. It's only $5. That's a great deal. Cute gift. This little bubble blower. And then we have the roller chalk. All these cute little sandals for $5. The little knockoff Crocs and flip-flops. And these different slides. And these ones too. They're all $5. And everybody loves popsicles for summer. So look at all these different ones that they have. Skittles. They have the big icy ones. Airhead snow cone. These when I was little, we cut them in half. They have the Kool-Aid Pops, which my kids like. There is a strawberry margarita one, Italian ice, Starburst, Sunkiss. And this pack of 12. This is a lot of fun stuff. And look at the ice pop holders. This is good because they're always spilling stuff. That is a fun little thing to have. These socks just caught my eye. Pretty cool. Different ones they have. Scooby, Elmo. They have Taz. They have the Minions, Captain America, Pringles. This is cute to throw in for your dads. Pick a fun pair of socks that you think they'll like. Put some tools, some candy. Really fun stuff. In addition to your dad's Father's Day gifts, they have these cute little bags of beef jerky that you could put in, and you can grab his favorite movie theater box of candy as well. So just make it a fun gift. So there's just so many things to choose from with the candy, beef jerky, or if your dad likes nuts, they have corn nuts here. They have a different variety of these energy ones, or they have chipotle or jalapeno and combos. So just make it a fun little gift basket. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you how to put together this. So I grabbed that little toolbox, it's $1.25, and I got some of the multi-purpose cleaner, some dash wipes, that rechargeable screwdriver, some beef jerky, some Reese's, and then a gift card to Texas Roadhouse. So you can put that all in. You can put some tissue paper or something to stuff the bottom so it's all together, and then you have this cute gift that you just made for your dad, and everything here is from the Dollar Tree. So guys, there was a lot of cute things in there, and I hoped I helped you with how to make a cute little basket for your dad for Father's Day. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and have a great day.